Yeah.
I will not let anybody's opinion about every decision I take condemn my movement. I promise you, I am not worried one bit.
You are.
Yeah. When I started acting, I got to a point I went to Nigeria to shoot some of their movies. But one day I was in a plane coming back, because that movie hustled me so much. And it was so far, and the traffic and everything, and the way sometimes they don't kind of respect us from my experience. I don't want anybody to feel like I'm insulting anybody. Right. When I went there, I saw the gestures towards us. As I made me crow me your him mount. Now then I'm a bahano be a feeling say me and come here me that I'm a visitor. Somebody is treating the home person so well than me that I've traveled this far. And I didn't come on my own. You called me. I sat on a flight and said, no. If I go to Ghana, I will concentrate on Ghana. I will not come to this Nigeria again. I will concentrate on Ghana and do my work in Ghana. I know my language, Chi, sells a lot. At that time, people were doubting the Kumawood and a whole lot of things. So when I sat down on the flight, it was not a long flight. The things I told myself is I'm coming back home and I have to remain home. I'm not traveling to go and work anywhere. So I'll start from where I belong, Kumasi. I'll start from my people. I'll start from Kumasi. I have the opportunity there. So why don't I firm it? And I earn it.
Right.
When I earn it, then I can own it. And when I own it, I can take it everywhere.
Right.
So from Kumasi, I worked. I have worked. Johnny, I've paid my dues.
You have.
Johnny, I have worked.
I'm counting.
I will not let anybody say that.
Movies coming to Africa, Nipa your bad side.
Coming to Africa, yeah,
Madam John, in Sempi, Kumasi, Yonko, Dontira, Madam Okay, Love Comes Back, Kai Debi, Sorry Ba, Wunyame Sumponi, Alicia, Fool's Paradise. Bebre.
Yeah, men can over your best your time, no.
Bebre, John and John, you know.
So you see, Johnny, the reason why you see me doing all these things is it didn't start today. I started this long ago. I knew this picture. I saw it long ago. I am not impressing anybody. I am working for myself.
How do you feel when social media comes at you?
It's part of the job. Johnny, it's part. How about my blessings? When that blessings also, when they are coming, the ambassadorial deals, when they are coming. The same way, I feel good. Whoever is saying what about me, I leave that person to God. Because I know myself and I know I have worked my way through here. I didn't come here just for the sake of my beauty or maybe my smile. I have worked to make my smile impactful. I have been here because I worked. Oh, Johnny, I've worked.
Yeah.
I will not let anybody's opinion about every decision I take condemn my movement. I promise you, I am not worried one bit.
You are not.
I am so happy for moving on.
Okay.
For the next level God is taking me. To be honest, something must happen behind for you to move forward. So as I am here, I have no regrets. I have not hated anybody, and I'm continuing building who I am.
How does your family react to you being in the public eye consistently? I mean, you have a beautiful daughter, a lovely husband, your parents as well, you know, and I'm sure they're all looking for your attention as well. But then, like, you're working for Ghana. Ghana is also demanding your attention. How do they react to it?
Johnny, I have a family that loves me. Hey, you have no idea. When I'm worried, they are worried, and when I'm happy, they are. My husband, my kids, my mom, my dad, my family. they will ask me, are you okay? If I'm okay, they are fine. When I'm taking decisions, I take with my husband. I tell him, Max, this is what I want. Please, allow me. Just follow me. Just bless me. Just help me. And he will go like, have you thought about it? I said, yes, I have. This decision you are taking, Nana, Amma, think about it. Think about this. Think about that. Think about that now. Before you confirm everything, have a moment with it. And I do that a lot. I am human. I'm not perfect, but I try to arrange my path so well that I can still have a smile with you that I left you behind, or with you that you think that you have a problem with me.
I'm sure by now you know that there are a lot of young ladies, and in fact men, who want to imitate you and your talent and your giftings.
Yes.
How do you feel about that?
Johnny, I feel blessed.
Do they get in touch with you?
Yes.
I want you to mentor me. I want to be a protege.
A lot.
And what do you tell them?
Mostly, you see, Johnny, first of all, I have to protect myself first. So I tell them, who are you? They said, okay, Nana, me was JSS 2. So I said, okay, finish your JSS 3. Let's see your result. If I see your result and which are 45, I'm in house at university. Right. I would rather advise you to find we a bema, mema, juma.
Okay.
You're sliding, your furniture, featuring, and I
yeah, fitting.
I'll give you the men's qualities, the jobs. Right. Fit yourself in there. It depends on how you manage it. You can be the best in Africa. Me, Manko School. I finished GSS. I wanted to go to school to make a College of Business Studies because when you're home, everybody asks you, unko school. Me school I knew me but I was going. If I knew it coming to Pam.
Right.
If I knew it coming to tray. If I knew it, marketing the minimum. I would have learned something.
Marketing baby.
Me a physical one, minim theory one. No. I mean book. What I mean is I'm not a book person.
Right.
And mostly when they approach me, I just want to know their position, where they are, because we are now either I support you, your family, to move you ahead.